What you're looking at here is part of the HN-3 Chinese anti-satellite missile that knocked down the 2007 satellite in space for the first time. This is a multi-stage missile. This actual piece here would appear to have gone into space and left the other parts of the missile early into orbit and descended at incredible speed. What's happened is it appears that it would have exploded at some stage. You can see that the jagged edges here and along the lip. Here you go. You can see how that's curled under in there. It's imploded. It hasn't exploded, beg your pardon, it's imploded. Here you can see parts of the IC panel. In here, all the electronics. This was submerged in the ocean, in the Sea of Okhotsk, the northern side of Hokkaido. Bits of sand down in there still. More electronics down in through here. The base part along that edge there, you can see it's very clean. I think this is part of the area that was subjected to burn. This wreckage has also been submerged in the ocean where there's sea ice in Okhotsk. You can see the force of the explosion there. This is duralumin. It's extremely thin. This is what was used on the Russian attack Hind helicopters in Afghanistan. It's bulletproof. You can see how far over that's been folded. This metal, when it's as thick as a Coca-Cola can, you can't bend it. That's how strong it is. I can't bend it with my fingers. Look at the force of that. And that's incredible. Let's pan back out of here. This is not the best way to do this. Now this is part of the cable that's come from the inside of the missile. See the way that's twisted like that? That's from cavitation falling from rapid descent at incredibly high speed. And what it did while it was falling, descending and cavitating, it snared this bar, this strut here, and it grabbed hold of it and it was wrapped with inside this cable. You cannot unbend the twists and kinks in this cable. It's impossible to. I had to cut this strut out of there. There's the markings, Russian HN-3. There it is. I'll just see if we can get some numbers off here. There's a whole heap of numbers up here. There's an ID number there. There's numbers all over this. There's numbers everywhere. There's extreme corrosion in here too. Looks like osmosis of some kind. I'm guessing because it's been in the ocean. Duralumin doesn't go well with salt water. Doesn't mix well with it, I should say. This dome here would be some kind of power pack. I just hope it's not some dangerous kind of a battery, but I'm not sure. You can see the different types of metal here. I don't know whether that's titanium or stainless. I've got a fixture on the black cable that it's not heavy enough for stainless. It's the same sort of metal. Okay, I'll take another movie later on.